In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset or reinstall the Microsoft Store on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and locate where it says System Components. And then either searching up in the search system components field to the top or just scrolling through the list, you want to locate the Microsoft Store entry in here and the three-dotted icon that corresponds to it. Select it and then select Advanced Options. Scrolling down again underneath Reset, if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data won't be affected. Select Repair. And then once that's done, relaunch the Microsoft Store and see if it has fixed the problem you were experiencing. If not, you can return back into this window here and select the second option that says if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. Give that a moment. And then once you have that check mark, I would suggest just restarting your entire computer and then attempt to relaunch the Microsoft Store, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.